I've been wearing mini braids on my natural hair for 18 weeks, and in today's video I give you an update. I wash my hair and I also let you know what's happening with my mini braids 18 weeks on. Welcome and welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. I do want to say a warm welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my channel, checking out my content, leaving me a comment. All of that really means a whole lot to me. So 18 weeks on from wearing mini braids, as you know that this set was installed and reinstalled several times from the 8th of May. And so it's been 18 weeks back to back, so wearing these braids. And one of the questions that I get asked very often is, how often do you wash your mini braids? And I thought in this video, I will show you the process of how I wash my mini braids. I will say having mini braids in my hair makes wash day a lot easier. So over the summer, I've been washing my hair every single week. That's because it's been very, very hot, but also my scalp has been dirty. And so the reason why I wash my hair is because my hair is dirty. I used to say I'm going to wash my hair every month and stick to that schedule regardless of what was happening with my hair. But now I found it much better to actually listen to my hair, seeing what it needs and then responding to that. And so my hair's been dirty, so I've been washing it a lot more. I'm often asked what shampoo I use, and so I use the cheapest shampoo from any of the supermarkets. I find that the cheap range really helps. It gets rid of the dirt, and at the end of the day, that's what you want a shampoo to do, is to lift the dirt off of your scalp, or whatever is on there, if it's product buildup or whatever. And so the cheap conditioners and shampoos from the supermarket is absolutely fine. I use the one from Lidl and from Aldi, and it's the cheapest shampoo that they have, and it lifts the dirt, and so I use that absolutely fine. I also sometimes use their conditioner, but my main conditioner is Hello Hydration. Now I've tried expensive sulfate-free shampoo before. My consciousness in my spending, Care was my line of choice. As you know, that does cost quite a bit of money, and when I do want to splash out luxury, I do even have luxury shampoos in my collection. But this cheap conditioner really gets rid of all of the buildup and all the products that's on my hair from mini braids. So this is the one I've been sticking to of late. I like the feeling of very, very clean scalp and clean hair. Now 18 weeks on, I'm just doing what I normally do, sticking to my routine and my regimen. And wash day in mini braids is very good because all I do is I get my application bottle. I then gauge the amount of shampoo that I need. Usually this is not a lot, so in this way I also save money on shampoo because I only use about 2 or 3 tablespoons, and then I fill the bottle with warm water. I always use warm water to dilute down the mixture, and then I go into my scalp with the applicator bottle, making sure that all of my hair is covered, all of my scalp is covered, and then I go ahead and give that a good scrub. I love washing my hair in mini braids, and it's very, very quick compared to when my hair is loose, because I know that my hair is already done when I finish this process. Very, very quick. The whole thing is about an hour. Just scrubbing my scalp, letting my conditioner sit on. And I tend to, sometimes if I'm really, really lazy, I put the shampoo on my scalp and then I apply the conditioner to the length of my hair. And then I just let that sit for about 15-20 minutes and rinse it off, and that's a wash day for that week. Now, as you know, I am in mini braids, and there is a mini braids challenge still running. And as I've said in my previous video, I think it's time to actually take these braids out at week 20 or so. So you all know probably in the next 2 videos if I have taken these down just to reinstall the whole thing. That's because there's been mini braids in my hair with all different growth rates, and I can no longer do my weekly measurements. So some have been in for 2 weeks, some have been in for 8 weeks, and so it's just time to really refresh the whole lot and get myself a new look for the autumn. But I do encourage you to join onto my challenges or actually follow my previous playlist. The playlist section of my channel is geared towards growing your natural hair, so you'll find plenty of videos really sorted out for you to find to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. And mini braids is a great way of growing your natural hair. It's really growing my hair, it's transforming before your eyes, and I'm really going to do some comparison videos for you. And one of the other reasons why I want to take my hair out and reinstall it, so I can get some good comparison shots in mini braids for you, because my hair is really, really growing and really looking different health wise. So back to the video then. As you can see, I'm applying the conditioner to the length of my hair, and in this wash day, I decided to keep the shampoo on my scalp and then apply the conditioner. As I said, this really cuts down the amount of time, gets the product on, and I don't leave it on for very long, and then I just run my hair under the shower. The most important thing is to make sure that your scalp is clean and the length of your hair is conditioned. Another thing you'll notice is that my hair actually looks really good in this video compared to some of my previous videos. I have been filming those outside where the lighting is different and it picks up on all the fuzz and all the frizz when it's outside being filmed. Now that I'm inside, my hair actually looks a lot better and making me think, should I take them down? But they have to come down because I do, as I said, want to have a fresh set of braids. New parting, I don't actually think it's a good idea to have those parts in for such a long time. I don't want to be pulling on them and give myself any sort of pattern baldness or anything like that. Might not be a thing, but I think I'll just remove them and make sure that I get a brand new set soon. Once again, I'm using my trusted Hello Hydration. Hello Hydration, if you're out there and you want to do a sponsorship, I'm very, very happy to do so. So do contact me. This is the conditioner that I use. It's very, very cheap, £2. And you get a lot of conditioner for £2. And it really moisturizes my 4B, 4C hair in my mini braids. I do want to thank you so much for watching so far in the video. If you've got this far, do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel where I talk about growing your natural hair, really using your own natural hair, using really simple methods of growing your hair. Check out my DIY playlist where I also make the products that I use on my hair and just general hair care tips. It's good natural hair care, simple natural hair care here on Simply Shev. I believe that you can grow your natural hair long even if you've never had long hair before, and that's the basis of my channel, showing you someone's hair journey that's never had long hair before. So I'll go ahead then and make sure that the rest of my hair has the conditioner on, and then I let that sit. So that is it. I didn't show you the rinsed out version of this at all. I just gathered my hair together, let it sit, and then I just rinsed it out, and it was still again in mini braids. So there was no styling after I took this or after I rinsed this out. I just went along with my moisturizing and sealing regimen and then just let my mini braids sit for another week. I will see you in my next video, and I'm working on some really great exciting content for you, so stick around, watch all my previous videos in this playlist if you are thinking about using mini braids to grow your natural hair. And also do remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I post. Thank you so much, take care, and I'll see you in my next one.